Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Norwegian Haven experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful Norwegian Encore. This particular category is the Haven 2-bedroom family villa with balcony. It's one of our most popular offerings that we sell period across the board. It's the perfect fit for so many families and friends groups. I'll take you through the space and show you why in just a minute, along with reviewing the amenities. But keep in mind, when you're ready to book this incredible suite or any room or suite with Norwegian, Regent, or Oceania, make sure you reach out to the experts at HarTravel or book it right on HarTravel.com. We know we can help craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, you're gonna have your temperature controls, along with the makeup room do not disturb button so you can communicate with your cabin steward. Now, as we head in, I'm actually gonna step into the second bedroom first. This is what makes this a wonderful and unique suite. Now, it's not a huge second bedroom, but I love that they have a door. Having that extra separation of space goes so far when traveling with friends or family. Now, it's got its own private closet space here, so you'll have hanging storage across. The bar will pull down for more. There's actually a whole storage nook over in the corner here as well. You get the first glimpse of some of those highly upgraded bathrobes and slippers that all guests will be able to utilize throughout their stay. Now, you have a sofa here, so it's a wonderful little den area where you can sit and relax. You've got a flat panel TV directly across, fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship in addition to watching television. Now, there's a trundle bed that comes out from underneath. There's also a Pullman style bed that comes down for the ceiling, so you can actually get 3 passengers in here. It's perfect for staying overnight, though for me, it's also a quiet, cool spot for a dad nap during the day. Now, I don't find this the perfect combination for 2 couples in a lot of situations, but it can work, and of course your HarTravel advisor can go over all those details with you. Now, underneath here, you've got a couple ottomans where you can sit and get ready. You've got your hair dryer, a US plug, and a European plug, and then I love that they also have a USB built into the light for anyone sleeping there. Now, right around the corner, you've got storage up and down here with shelves. You've got your temperature control, and then as I step in, you're gonna have the second bathroom. Now, it's a really nice size for a second bathroom. You've got storage down below and up above with the shelves. You're gonna find those highly upgraded L'Occitane bath amenities. And I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6". I actually fit just fine in here. You've got the adjustable shower wand over to the side. You've got a nook for amenities, and then more of the L'Occitane upgraded amenities for you. Now, as we head into the living room space, you got a little nook. That's where I leave my key so I don't forget it. You're gonna have bubbly on ice upon your arrival. And then now you're gonna see your dining table. Now, keep in mind, there's a lot of things your butler can do for you. I love that you're gonna have butler service on board. They're gonna combine with the concierge and deliver an incredible upgraded experience. They can arrange for in-suite dining. In fact, you can have every single meal right here, served with a white tablecloth. You can order off the Haven dining menu during breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or an expanded menu beyond that. Now, across, you're gonna find your butler's pantry. Up above, you'll see you have all your glassware, cutlery, stemware for dining in suite. You'll also have an espresso maker. I love that because I start my day at home with an espresso. So you can have that Italian coffee or a selection of the upgraded Tea Forte. They even have some hot chocolate here. I know my daughter absolutely loves that. There's storage underneath along with a mini fridge. Now, as we head further into the living room, you can see the nice comfy sofa. Now, this does make up into a bed for the 6th passenger, depending on how you're doing that. Now, keep in mind, I mentioned 2 couples traveling together. Now, we have all the videos of the suites from Prima and Viva, the 2 newest Norwegian ships. I would say the 2-bedroom family villa is there with a true second bedroom with a large bed. Maybe a better fit for 2 couples, but that's what your HarTravel advisor is gonna go through with you. They're gonna explain all the details and make sure that you pick the perfect suite for you. Now, behind, you're gonna have a couple US plugs, also lighting controls for anybody using this as a sleeping area. And then directly across, you're gonna find another large flat panel TV. You can take advantage of the movies on demand, watch your favorite shows, or of course, see what's going on throughout the ship. Tucked in the corner here, you're gonna have your writing desk, another US plug, storage up above. You've got cabinets up there. You've got storage down below as well. And then from the writing desk, just behind, you're gonna find the exit out to the balcony. Now, I'll take you out there in a minute, but first, let's head into the master bedroom. Now, as we head into the master bedroom, I wanted to point out one of my all-time favorite features. It's the door. I love my family. I love traveling with friends as well, but having that extra separation of space goes so far. So the door heading into the second bedroom closes, this one as well. Now here, you're gonna find your temperature controls, lighting controls, and there's even a plug. And then you're gonna have a ton of storage in here. In fact, the whole wall here is storage. As I open this up, you're gonna find that you have your hanging storage that goes all the way across. There's a cabinet up above and drawers down below. Now you've got a third large flat panel TV. Redundancy goes super far when traveling with the family. And then you also have the full king size bed. I love that they've got that extra comfy, highly upgraded mattress. Of course, the pillows, you can even choose from a pillow menu, and linens. And a really cool touch is they even have a starry sky up above. Of course, you can turn that off, but it's a great feature, and you've got plenty of space underneath the bed to tuck your large bags away. There's a nightstand on either side to tuck things away. You have a US plug here, USBs on either side to charge devices, directional reading lamps up above, and then they also have full light controls on either side as well. Now as we head further in, you're going to find more storage here. So this entire wall opens up. You'll find that you have the full-size golf umbrella you can utilize throughout your cruise. Safe, perfect size for passport, wallet, or a small tablet. And then you're going to have shelves all the way up and down to store things. On the side, you're going to find your vanity. So here you have a US plug and a European plug, a built-in hairdryer underneath. You've got a backlit magnifying mirror, a large backlit mirror, and then storage on the side. Now, one of the favorites of this particular suite is, of course, the master bathroom. Once again, a door for separation and privacy, and then you see all the beautiful white marble. Now you've got a nice large double vanity here where you can get ready, storage underneath to tuck your large things away, storage up and down, plug for a razor, and then the great little touches in addition to the L'Occitane bath amenities, you also have a shower poof. Now you've got the water closet tucked just behind here. You see you've got more of those extra comfy Haven bathrobes and slippers. I'll step into the shower. Now it's a showstopper with those incredible ocean views. You're gonna have the large rainfall shower head up above, and then you also find that full Swiss shower experience with all the jets. More of the upgraded L'Occitane amenities, and keep in mind that you do have a privacy curtain here for when you're in port. In addition to that, you're gonna have a beautiful large soaking tub. Now this is a huge favorite, especially because you can sit and take advantage of those incredible ocean views. You can imagine having your butler draw a bubble bath for you here. Maybe you come back from an amazing excursion in Alaska or the Caribbean, and then you head on out and have a wonderful night on the beautiful Encore. You get those great views, once again, with a wonderful soaking tub. So now we're out on your private balcony. You've got 2 chairs and a table here. It's that perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening as you take advantage of the beautiful ever-changing ocean views. I love that fresh ocean air and waking up in a different location in every port. Now keep in mind it's not a huge balcony, but of course you're just a few steps away from the beautiful courtyard pool, the forward-facing Haven lounge, the incredible sun deck, restaurant, bar areas. So that's an extension of your living room, dining room, and of course backyard. When you're ready to make this your home away from home or book any room or suite with Regent, Norwegian, or Oceania, make sure you reach out to the experts at Har Travel. We know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime at an incredible value.